Are you looking for a natural way to boost your health and improve your overall well-being? Look no further because in this video, I'm going to reveal the secret ingredient that will change your life. Today, we are going to talk about the amazing benefits of boron. This often overlooked mineral is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting good health and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. In this video, I'll share with you the top benefits of boron and how it can transform your health from the inside out. Let's dive right in. Number 1, enhanced bone health. Did you know that boron plays a crucial role in maintaining strong and healthy bones? Research suggests that boron supplementation can increase bone mineral density, reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and even improve joint health. By promoting the absorption of calcium and magnesium, boron helps fortify your skeletal structure and prevent age-related bone loss. Number 2, hormonal balance. Boron also has a significant impact on hormonal balance, especially in women. Studies have shown that boron supplementation may help alleviate menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Additionally, it can support healthy testosterone levels in both men and women, improving libido and overall sexual health. Number 3, cognitive function. You'll be surprised to learn that boron is not only beneficial for your bones and hormones, but also for your brain. Research suggests that boron supplementation can enhance cognitive function and improve memory and attention span. It may also have a positive impact on conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia, but further studies are needed to confirm these effects. Number 4, anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in various chronic diseases. Boron has been found to possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation markers in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Number 5, metabolism and energy boost. If you're looking to boost your metabolism and increase energy levels, boron might be just what you need. This mineral helps regulate carbohydrate metabolism by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance. By doing so, it promotes efficient energy production and can support weight management goals. Number 6, improved heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being, and boron can play a role in supporting cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that boron supplementation can help reduce markers of heart disease, such as LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It may also support healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension. Number 7, enhanced athletic performance. For all the athletes and fitness enthusiasts out there, boron can be a valuable addition to your routine. This mineral has been found to enhance muscle coordination, improve endurance, and aid in post-workout recovery. By supporting optimal hormone levels, boron can help you achieve better athletic performance and reach your fitness goals. Lastly, let's talk about supplement intake. Excessive intake of supplements may hinder the body's ability to eliminate unneeded substances. Boron, for instance, lacks a specific daily recommended dosage, but the Food and Nutrition Board of the Institute of Medicine suggests upper limits for daily intake based on age groups. Children aged 1 to 3 are advised not to exceed 3 mg daily, while the limit for adults aged 19 and older is 20 mg. Though generally safe, excessive boron consumption can have adverse effects, especially in children under 1 year old where safety data is lacking. Pregnant women should be cautious due to limited safety studies. Consulting a healthcare provider before supplementing is crucial, as dietary sources like fruits and vegetables are preferred over supplements. Foods such as prunes, raisins, dried apricots, and avocados can naturally elevate boron levels. Incorporating a smoothie with these items and possibly electrolyte powder can offer a nutritious alternative to supplements, ensuring adequate boron intake without unnecessary risks. In summary, boron supplements offer a wide range of benefits for your overall health and well-being. From promoting strong bones and hormonal balance to improving cognitive function and heart health, this essential mineral is a true powerhouse. Whether you're looking to optimize your athletic performance or simply improve your quality of life, consider incorporating boron supplements into your daily routine. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay healthy, stay happy.